In the race to deploy AI at scale, it's far more effective to start with proven, foundational components rather than starting from scratch. That's where an AI factory comes in. An AI factory brings structure to data pipelines, model training, validation, testing, and inference, transforming a complex trial-and-error effort into a process that's scalable, repeatable, and ready for real-world impact. The term AI factory is used in three main ways: to describe a data center, an operating model, or an integrated enterprise AI solution. A data center AI factory is a purpose-built, high-performance environment designed to run large-scale generative AI workloads at speed. Unlike traditional data centers that primarily store and process existing data, these AI factories generate new intelligence and capabilities. As an operating model, an AI factory refers to a set of frameworks and processes that automate decision-making, supported by a distributed network architecture designed for speed. This enables real-time outcomes such as social media feed listings or dynamic pricing in ride-hailing apps. And lastly, as an integrated enterprise solution, an AI factory is a rapidly responsive hardware and software stack that enterprises can purchase and deploy quickly. It enables teams to prototype AI solutions and test and deploy them at scale across public or private clouds, combining AI-enabled PCs, workstations, servers, data center storage, and software to integrate seamlessly with existing IT environments. This third type of AI factory enables enterprises to quickly gain value from AI by providing ready-to-deploy, specialized infrastructure. Integrated AI factories streamline deployment and significantly reduce the time to value. And because AI infrastructure is far more complex than traditional IT systems, most organizations lack the expertise and resources to build it themselves. Each form of AI factory functions to rapidly provide and streamline enterprise solutions. They shorten the time from experimentation to deployment, allowing businesses the full productivity enhancements that AI can provide. Because AI deployments are rapidly evolving from isolated projects to scaled, organization-wide implementation. Learn more about how an AI factory can help your enterprise scale AI in the blog post, "What is an AI Factory?"